all I know is it rips really well for a stock truck, and it's really fun for, you know, what I have into it. But when those upgrades come, it's going to be fully caged. It's going to have a custom interior, tube doors, sliders, and yeah. So that's what that's going to be. And then by the time after that, hopefully we can actually work on, you know, fixing the suspension, the stock suspension, and putting some lockers in it, and then we'll be pretty much done with this cheap second gen crawler.